Hello everyone guys, without wasting time, let's do this question. Okay, what the question is saying, a line intersect two parallel lines, okay, okay, forming four acute angles and four obtuse angle, okay. So let's draw this situation. Okay, I draw this condition. There are two lines which are parallel to each other and another line is intersecting both of them, okay. So they're formed for acute angle and for obtuse angle, okay. As we know that the bigger one is obtuse, right? This is obtuse, right? And smaller one is acute, right? Smaller one is acute because acute is always less than 90 and obtuse is always greater than 90, right? So as you can write there all, okay. So after writing all the obtuse angle and acute angle here, let's read the question. Okay, the measure of one of these right angle is 7x minus 250 degree. Okay, we don't know is this acute angle or obtuse angle, we don't care even, okay. So the sum of measure of four of the eight angles is k. Okay, the sum of measure of any of the four angle of eight angles is k, okay. And which of the following not could not be, okay, this is the thing, could not be equivalent to k, okay, for all values of x. This is the thing, right, for all value of x. Okay, so let's do this question. We have to suppose first, let's suppose 7a, okay, this is acute angle, let's suppose this. So after writing down this is, as you can see, we got our acute angle and we suppose this, okay. So we can get similarly obtuse angle as well because sum of obtuse and acute angle is 180 degree, as you can see here. So let's do. So after writing down we can get our obtuse angle, okay, and I denoted it with a OB. So let's do point of elimination in every option. So let's start from option D because it is showing 360, which is of course can be the value of k, because here if we see this rotation, this is 360, right? So we can say that k is 360 is possible, right? So this is not our option because our option should be which is not be possible. So let's see option C, and here is minus 28x, okay, minus 28x. And how can we get minus 28x? Because we have to do some 4 times any random, okay, any random, we don't have any obligation to do which. So let's see if this is minus 7, right, and we can do this multiply by 3, then it will be minus 21, right? So, okay, it is minus 28, so directly we can multiply it by 4 and we can get. So let's multiply it by 4. So after multiplying it by 4 we can get 28x minus and plus 1720 is 1600 plus 120 1720, right? So this is also possible. So let's rule out this option as well, and let's see option B. Here we have 14, right? So how can we really get 14? So if it is x, right, if it is 7x, so if we multiply this by 3, right, if we multiply this by 3, which will be 21x, right, 7 into 3 is 21. So 21 minus 7 will be 14, right? So if we multiply this by 3, right, this 3 acute angle 3 times and obtuse angle only 1 time, right, this angle only 1 time, then sum of both of them will give us 14x, right? So let's do this. So after doing that we got our 14x minus 320, which is also in option, so this is not our option as well, answer as well. So you got the process, right, how we did this trick. This is because we to get 14x we have to multiply it by 3 and subtract minus 7x here, right? Okay, I mean add minus 7x here. So this is also not possible. Technically we have only left our answer A, but let's do this also because here is minus 14, right, here is minus 14. So we can do this similar process here, adding obtuse angle by 3 times right now, okay, we can get minus 21, and just adding 7x will keep us minus 14, right? Because minus 21 plus 7 will be minus 14, right? So let's do this one and do this. So after adding 3 obtuse angle and 1 acute angle, we get our this answer minus 14x plus 1040, okay, which is here not option because it is showing 1540. So this is not possible, right? And which is not possible will be our answer. So A is our answer here. So what was really this question? This question was nothing but checking your concept, okay? So of obtuse angle and acute angle, and we have to do here hit and try method, and to get like minus 28, how can we get this minus 7 into 4 times? We can use this concept, right? And minus 14 we can get by adding 3 times this and adding acute 1 time, and similarly this option B also we can get by this concept. So thank you guys, this is the answer for you.